you ever deal with a situation like you had to extend, distribute one HDMI source to multiple displays? If you have, what's your solution? You might be thinking of this. Or you can try our solution. It's much easier, right? Unlike traditional distributor, this one has been built in 4 transmitters, which allows you to directly connect to a receivers. About a receiver, it doesn't require power, plus it allows you to directly connect to the monitors. It saves you a lot. What if you already have 4 HDMI displays and still want extra outputs? All you need to do is just put down tunable receiver, connect cables, and done your work. Also, this device has loop-out port, which allows you to stake another send device to get 1 in 8 out and 1 in 12 out. Furthermore, you can mute any specific output with RS-232 control. The device has multiple functionality and high flexibility, so the value of this product will definitely worth its price.